Too many obstructions.
Yeah, guys, I watch out. My church is gonna auto.
Carson, back up so your gun doesn't hang up your side. Oh wait, you'll cut that out.
Is it good now? Is it good now?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
That's good enough. Oh, dude, they're gonna come revive the guy I killed. When they do that, we can kill him and then all move in when you let him.
Let's fucking wreck him. I see.
Stay down, don't pick up yet, don't pick up. Don't pick up! You wanna get him still so it's a sure kill before you pick up. He's looking.
Oh, I see a guy in the rack. I see a guy in the rack.
Crap, I pulled my trigger on accident. Oh my gosh, I'm a retard. One's behind the rocks and one's on the dead body.
God damn it! God damn it!
I'm going back in. I'm going back in.
Oh my god.
I'm invoking the spirit of you. I got this guy. I got this guy. I wish I had. Right, do so.
There's a guy on your right.
This guy's reading words up this.
He's running down the tree line.
Yes, if he doesn't.
I wonder how high you can... How high can you go in these choppers?
He's running towards you.
Someone's pushing up to us right now.
Hey, shoot this guy! Shoot this guy! Right here on the left! Right here on the left! Right here on the left!
Look where I am. There's a guy climbing up the hill.
I can't.
He's coming towards you. He's coming towards you too.
Here, run down the stairs. Run down the stairs. Shoot him.
He's coming towards you. If he stops,
Step
he's too far. He's too far from you. Just
Step away from the vehicle.
Brendan, wait up.
There's 3 enemies.
I'm gonna shoot him when he comes up.
2 armed.
There's an enemy Hellcat,
Put your gun on full auto.
Yo, I fired at him once. I hit him once. He's got the sword and sniper.
Holy shit, they're doing a full-on assault!
Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah, stop, break up.
What? No.
He's still there.
Reverend, shoot him.
Raven, I thought you were the one complaining about just standing all the side chat.
That's not me. That wasn't
There's two of them up in
me,
front of
you
us.
idiot.
2 of them up in front of us.
Dude,
You
extend me.
should learn I'm not the one who
I've been
talking at all. I chat for a while.
There's 2 Hellcats. We need NT.
Get him, Rev.
We need NT at the airfield. There's 2 Hellcats at the airfield right now. They're armed.
One who's complaining CPD left.
I'll ram the...
There's another
Carson,
CPD.
stay up there.
I'll ram the Hellcats at the airfield.
Okay, BB. Okay, BB.
There's like 6 of you, it's not my fault.
I love you. I love you.
I don't know why.
Fuck.
Stay up there, I'm gonna flank around the
it's
other side.
chopper.
They're all...
No, dude, I gotta move. I'm getting shot at. Oh, there's a guy. There's a guy. Reverend, look to your right. Damn, he just ran up there. I forgot you were in the chat.
Holy shit, they really want to shoot.
Where are they?
The guy just ran up. Oh, fuck, I got him.
He's by you.
No. The guy just ran back towards the gun store.
Yo, I'm next to you, Parsi. I'm like literally right next to you, Parsi. Press your right window.
Reverend, get down. Reverend, get down. There's an attack ship. Oh my god. Reverend, get down.
I see a guy. He's by
Are the enemies
tank,
still in
he's
those
by
trees
tank.
right south of you?
I see a guy.
Where is he, Raban?
You see where I'm facing? He's over there. He's behind that explosion.
By the tank?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
He left the tank. He's on the hill. Dude, there's so many helicopters.
Damn it.
Dude, what the heck? They really want this whole area.
Holy fuck, there's
so many
two armed health. I don't know what's happening. Kevin, I'm gonna move.
I got in an interesting dogfight, except I didn't have a gun, so I was like anti-dogfighting.
You were pussy fighting.
Fair enough.
They're sniping at me.
I'm in a freaking hummingbird. I can't do anything.
Super hard. Roll super hard.
Hey,
All I can do is roll.
Just roll super hard.
I did a full 360. Or corkscrew, whatever.
A barrel roll. A barrel.
Yeah, whatever you said.
Nine.
No, my fucking tire.
My name is CPD Raban.
I got you. Oh, fine. Said
Reverend, I'm coming up on the hill behind.
Yo, I'm getting
Stole.
shot at by guys with pistols. I've got like no ammo left though.
Oh, dude, I could have given you my pistol ammo.
One south of the store, Little shack.
Dumbass.
They stole my tank. They're on the hill. My
Raven, south
my
of the store in that
tank
shack.
that is an enemy tank now. He's
Yeah,
trying to run me
yeah,
over. He's trying to run me over.
Oh my
god. Dude, he's trying to run me over, Josh. Josh, he's going back and forth trying to run me over.
I got him.
Oh, dude, I have a really good spot for him.
Enemy Hellcats going down.
I'm gonna get off for a little, see you guys tomorrow.
Where are the Hellcats?
Or whatever.
Are you not getting mad?
I'll come back
One
in
just got shot down on the airfield. 2 people
Well, tired.
infected.
Oh, the airfield.
I don't know if there's any people left.
I'll be back.
User disconnected from your
Me and you killed like all of them, Revan.
Yeah.
I killed like 4.
Hey, none of their guns had any
guns
ammo.
had any ammo,
though.
Alright. Protect me, whoever's near me.
I just got another one.
Hunter,
I took my ammo, dude. I got 3 bullets.
There's a guy, Reverend,
Revan,
gun, sorry, Reverend, there's a
Yeah, I'm getting shot.
okay,
He's outside with the pistol.
He's outside with the pistol where I am.
Oh, I see him.
I don't have any ammo. Oh, I'm down. He's right next to me.
Oh, I got him. I got him extended. Wait, extend it, don't.
I have a med kit.
next to my body.
I died somehow. Hey, he's one shot. He's got like 2 health. I don't know how I died.
Come on, addicted game. He's like right next to my body.
He's on our bodies, guys. He's like 1 shot. Come on.
Oh, that was so close. Oh my gosh, that was
I
close.
got the guy in the store. There's one guy left though. I don't know where he is.
Carson,
I don't know where he is.
I could have killed that guy, but like I said, I had 0 ammo left. I had no.
Addicted, go for 30. Around 30. Oh, I see him.
If you can take him out, we can kill him. We could revive.
Addicted, go get them. I'll cover. I have a link.
Come on, addicted. Come get me.
Addicted, go get him.
I got a minute left. Cover our bodies in the car, and then come get us.
Alright, I got him.
Oh, good. Now. I got a minute.
Oh yeah.
He died on my body.
Damn it.
God, he was like had a second
I
left.
just got sniped, so